Hi students, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is circumference and area of a circle. We know circle shape, it will be round in shape. PO is radius, PQ is diameter, and OA also diameter, OB also diameter. This is all sector we will be learning. Arc of a circle. Before that, in the circle chapter we will be coming across pi. It is a Greek word. This is the ratio between circumference and the diameter, C by D. Circumference of the circle and diameter of the circle, it is constant. So 22 by 7, approximate of 3.14, approximately, not accurate, correct, near. Now we know all this formulae. First one, circumference of a circle. Two circumference of circle formulae are there. When radius is given 2 pi r units. When circumference of a circle, when diameter is given pi d, 2 r diameter, pi d units. Third one, area of a circle, pi r square units, because r into r, since 2 times we are going to multiply, so square will come. Next, diameter of a circle, twice the radius, 2 into radius, d is equal to 2r, and I told you pi is the ratio between the circumference and the diameter. It is constant, 22 by 7. So read this formula, then the chapter will be easy for you. Next, sixth formula, area of a semicircle. Semicircle means half circle. We know area of a circle is pi r square, in that half pi r square. Next, seventh one, perimeter of a semicircle. Circumference of a circle is 2 pi r, in that half is pi r, and here 2r means diameter is there. So perimeter of a semicircle, pi r plus 2r units. Eighth one, area of a circular ring. This is ring, pi into capital R square minus small r square units, where r is outer radius. This is outer radius, and small r is inner radius. R, capital R, small r. If you subtract, then you will get this area of a circular ring, shaded part. Next, length of arc ACB. AC is here, ACB. This is called arc. ACB is arc. Arc means part of a minor part of a circle. 2 pi r. You know, this is circumference. Theta means angle. This is theta. By 360 degrees. Here degrees cancel. So units. 2 pi r into theta by 360 units. This is length of RACB. Next, 10th one. Area of the sector OACBO. OACBO. You can see in the figure. OACB. Again up to O. That is all area. Pi r square into theta by 360. Here degrees, here also degrees only. 360 degrees. Square units. Degrees cancel here also, that's why. 11th one. Perimeter of a sector. OACB. Same area what we found, now perimeter. Length of arc ACB plus OA plus OB. These are radius. R plus R, 2R. Length of the arc formula already you know. 2 pi r theta by 360 plus 2r units. Because we are adding here. Units plus units only will come. These are the formulas. Still there are. Now, rotations made by a wheel. Wheel we know. Wheel will be in a circle shape. First formula. Distance moved by a wheel in one revolution is equal to circumference of the wheel. Second formula. Number of rotations made by a wheel in unit time is equal to distance moved by it in unit time divided by circumference of the wheel. So keep these formulas in mind and read, learn and by heart thoroughly. Exercise 18, fourth problem. The circumference of a circle is 123.2 centimeters. Calculate first bit the radius of the circle in centimeters. Second bit the area of the circle to the nearest centimeter square. Third one the effect on the area of the circle if the radius is doubled. Now solution given. What is given? Circumference of a circle is given. How much is given? Circumference of a circle, that is equal to 123.2 centimeters. Now here, what is the formula? Circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r. Both are circumferences. Now we are going to compare. 2 pi r is equal to 123.2. 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to, I am removing decimal by writing by 10. Decimal is there, you get bit confusion. So better to do like this. R is equal to 1232 by 10. What is the reciprocal of 2 from coming from left to right? 1 by 2. And 22 by 7 is 7 by 22. Now simplify. You will get answer. Now again I am writing neatly because there is no place. 1232 by 10 into 1 by 2 into 7 by 22. 7 by 2 I wrote because there is no sufficient place. Again fresh I wrote 7 by 22 reciprocal. Keep in mind 2 table, 2 goes here 5 times, 2 6 are 12, 2 1s are 2, 1 remaining again 6 times. Now again 2 table, 2 3s are 6. In 1 it will not go 0 times. Now 16, 2 goes 8 times. Again 2 table. This time we will take 11 table. 11 2s are here. 11 2s are 22, 8 remaining 88. 11 8s are. Again 2 table goes 14 times. So now you are going to multiply. R is equal to 14 7s are 98 by 5. Divide by 5. 5 1s are 5, 48. 5 9s are 45, 3, decimal 0, 5 6 are 30, 0. R is equal to 19.6 centimeters we got. Second bit they are asking to find area. Area of a circle. Area of a circle is equal to, what is the formula? Pi r square. That is equal to 22 by 7 into 19.6 into 19.6 centimeter square. Half square centimeters also correct only. Cancel 7. 7 2s are 14. 5 remaining. Decimal is there. 5 remaining. 8 times. Now multiply. 19.6 into 2.8. 48, 4, 72, 76, 7, 15, 12, 1, 18, 19, 1, 3. Add 8, 8, 14, 5 after 2 decimals into again 22 is there. Multiply with 22. 16, 1 again 17, 1, 8, here 9, 2 5 are 10. 6, 7, 9, 0, 1. 6, 13, 17, 10, 2, 1. Decimal after 2 digits. So 1207.36 centimeters. They told to write nearest. So therefore area of a circle is equal to nearest. If it is 5 or more than 5, then 1 will be added. Here less than 5. So 1207 square centimeters or centimeter square, both mean same only. So this is the area of a circle. Now third bit, the effect on the area of the circle if radius is doubled. First of all, radius, how much we got? Radius of a circle is equal to 19.6 centimeters we got. Now radius is doubled. What's the meaning of this one? We have to multiply with 2 into 19.6 centimeters. So that is equal to 12, 1, 18, 19, 1, 3, 39.2 centimeters. Now we will see the area of the circle with this radius. Same, pi r square, that is equal to 22/7 into 39.2 into 39.2 centimeter square. 7 5s are 35, 4 remaining decimal. 7 6s are 42. Now multiply 39.2 into 5.6, 12, 1, 54, 55, and 5 remaining. 18, 23. 5 to 10, 1, 45, 46, 4, 15, 19. Add 2, 5, 9, 11, 2. Decimal, 2 decimal is 2 digits. So after 2 digits you put decimal. Into 22. Multiply. 2 2s 4, 2 5s 10, 1, 18, 19, 1. You have 3, 2 2s 4. Again the same. 4, 0, 9, 3, 4. Add 4, 4, 9, 12, 8, 4. After 2 digits you have to put decimal. How much you got? 4,829.44. Now what you observed here, what we observed means they are telling the effect on the area is 4 times more. How much? 4 times. How much we got before? 1,207 we got. 1,207.36 into 4 you do 24 to 12. 12 plus 2 is 4. 1, 28, 29. Again 2. 4 2 is 8. 4. So what is the effect means? After doubling the radius, the area of a circle became 4 times more. 4 times more centimeters square. Don't forget that one. So this is before area of a circle, second bit. 4 times it became 4 times. 4 times more. Fifth problem. Find the length of a rope by which a cow must be tethered in order that it may be able to graze an area of 9,856 meters square. A cow is tied with a rope. This is rope and left, so it can graze a circular area. In a circle only it can move. More than that it can't move because it is tied with a rope. Tied with a rope. Tethered means that one. Tied with a rope means that how much a cow can graze means a circular area. Circle area. So circular area. Indirectly they have given. So solution given. Area of a circle they have given. Why? The cow can graze in a circle, that's all. 9,856 meters square. We know area of a circle formula, pi r square. Read formulas. Pi r square is equal to 9,856. Both are areas we are comparing. Pi means everybody knows 22 by 7 into r square is equal to 9,856. R square is equal to 9,856 into 7 by 22. Reciprocal. When a fraction coming from left to right becomes reciprocal. Now we will see 11 table. 11 goes 2 times. 11 8s are 88. 10 remaining. 105 means 9 times. 11 9s are 99. 6 remaining. 66. 11 6s are 66. Now 2 table. 2 4s are 8. Again 2 4s are 8. Here 16. 2 8s are 16. Now multiply 448 into 7. 56. 5. 28 plus 5 is 33. 3 and 31. So how much you got means r square is equal to 3,136. We want r. We want to find r. R is equal to square root of 3,136. Find square root. R is equal to division method. Now r square is equal to 3,136 we got. R is equal to square root of 3,136. Find square root by division method. Bar for every 2 digits. Nearest square 5 5s are 25. 6 remaining. Remainder. And here 36. The bar will come down. 5 plus 5 10. 6 times. 6 6 are 36. 0 also. 6 1 is 6 0. So R is equal to 56. Now they are asking length of the rope, right? Therefore the length of the rope is equal to radius. This is 56 meters, means this is the length of the rope. They told to find the length of the rope. Therefore the length of the rope is equal to 56 meters. 56 meters. Eighth problem. The perimeter of a semicircular metallic plate is 84.4 centimeters. Calculate the radius and the area of the plate. This is metallic plate. OA is radius or OB is radius, and they are asking to find radius and area of the plate. Solution given. What they have given? Perimeter of a semicircular metallic plate. Metallic spelling right clearly. Metallic plate is equal to 86.4 centimeters. Now, formula. Perimeter of a semicircle is equal to pi r plus 2r. Full circle is 2 pi r. In that half, no, so pi r. Now compare. Both are perimeters. Pi r plus 2r is equal to 86.4. R you take common. Pi plus 2 is equal to 86.4. R is into 22 by 7 plus 2 is equal to 86.4. Now R into LCM is 7, 22 plus 14. Now that is equal to 86.4. R into 22 plus 14 by 7 is equal to 86.4. R into 36 by 7 is equal to 86.4. R is equal to 86.4 into 7 by 36. 36, 2 72, 14 remaining, decimal is there, 4 times. So R is equal to 7 4s are 28, 2, 7 2s are 14, 15, 16. So we got 16.8 meters. Now they are asking to find area of metallic plate. It is in which form? It is in semicircular shape. Semicircular. Metallic semicircular plate you write. Area of metallic semicircular plate. Area of a circle is pi r square. This is semicircle, so half pi r square. That is equal to 1 by 2 into 22 by 7 into r. Now just now we got 16.8 into 16.8. 2 table goes here 11 times. 7 table goes. 7 2s are 14. Decimal. 7 4s are 28. Multiply. When you multiply, you will get answer. 443.5 meters square. Therefore, area of the metallic semicircular plate is equal to 443.5 meters square. 10th problem. A copper wire when bent in the form of a square encloses an area of 272.25 centimeters square. If the same wire is bent into a form of a circle, what will be the area enclosed by the wire? This is copper wire bent in the form of square. This is the area they have given, 272.25 centimeters square. Now they have given area. Solution: given area of a square. How much they have given? 272.25 centimeters square. We know the formula of area of a square. What is the formula for area of a square? A square, side into side. So A square is equal to 272.25. We want A square goes from left to right, square root 272.25. Now find out 272.25. For every two digits bar, one digit left. 1 ones are 1, 1 7 2, 1 double it 2, 26 6 are 7 are, we will see 7 7s are 49, 4 14, 18 is more, so 6 times only. 6 6 are 36, 3 12, 15, so 6 times 156, 12, yeah, 6 minus 5 is 1, decimal is there, put the decimal here. Next bar is 25. Next make 6, if you add 32, so 325 5s, 25, 2, 10, 12, 1, 15, 16. So here you write 5 there. Now how much you got means A 16.5 centimeters. So 16.5 centimeters, 16.5 centimeters, because side of the square we got, Now we have to find length of the wire. Now find perimeter of a square. Perimeter of a square. What is the formula? 4A or 4 into side centimeters. 4 5s are 20, 0 2, 24, 25, 26, here 2, 66. So how much we got means 66 we got. Perimeter of a square we got 66. The perimeter will be the total length of the copper wire is equal to 66 centimeters. The same copper wire, this time we have bent in the form of a circle. Now they are asking to find its area. First we have to find radius. We don't know radius. After finding radius, we can find this area. First find radius. Now, indirectly this is the circumference. Circumference of the circle. Circumference of a circle is given. Circumference of a circle. Because we have bent in the form of a circle now. So, 66 centimeters. Now, what is the formula for circumference? Circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r. Now compare. 2 pi r is equal to 66. 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 66. Now r is equal to 66 into reciprocal of 2 is 1 by 2. Reciprocal of 22 by 7 is 7 by 22. 22 goes 3 times. Next, r is equal to 3 7s are 21. 21 by 2 means 10.5 centimeters. Now we got R. How much we got? 10.5 centimeters. Now we are going to find area of a circle. Area of a circle. Area of a circle is equal to pi r square. 22 by 7 into 10.5 into 10.5. 7 goes 1.5 times. 7 ones are 7, 3 remaining. 7 5s are 35. Now multiply. 10.5 into 22. 5 2s 10. Again 1, 2 zeros are 0, 1 only. 2 ones are 2. So 210. 0, 1, 3, 2. After 1 decimal into 1.5. 5 tables. 5 ones are 5. 5 3s are 15, 1, 11, 231. 5, 6, 4, 3. After 1 digit. So how much you got means 346.5 centimeter square. That is the area of a circle. We got 346.5 centimeter square.